Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Seems like a Shiba Inu whale has born once again. So there's been a lot of news hyping around Shiba Inu. We have seen a lot of whales piling up Shiba Inu right from July, and it's never stopping. There's a big whale who bought all around 3.2 trillion coins worth around 125 million US dollars, friends. This is one of the massive news, and then a major buy, I would say. It's almost like 3.2 trillion coins. Think about it. Like, so if they have even a 20% increase, think about the major profit they can make. So that's going to be huge. So also we're going to see about in the video. There's another whale called Ask the Doctor. It's kind of like a Canadian whale, I guess, who's into the healthcare industry. They have been tweeting great about Shiba Inu, and then they have made a massive update on how they can burn Shiba Inu coins while using their app, and also increasing the steps where keeping people very active with their app. We're going to see about that in this video. And also there is an update on XRP with the lawsuit. So we are going to see about XRP, how we are going to make 4 to 5x money in the coming 3-4 months. So this video is full of packed news. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about making money and keeping it very transparent, guys. So hopefully you like the video. So first into Shiba Inu, it's been a massive whale who bought this recently, and then we all know about Wall Street. Wall Street calls retail investors as dump money. But if you see for a fact that when the price is dipping, these guys are buying a lot of Shiba Inu coins. Like we know for a fact that Shiba Inu went up around quad 054 last week, and then we didn't see any news of like this. Whenever the Shiba dips below quad 033 or quad 035, we are seeing massive bales buying Shiba Inu coins, like, because these whales know definitely there's going to be massive potential inside this. They have insider information, guys. These guys are very influential. You never know how they know this information, but they are smart. We just have to follow the smart money. The typical hold time is obviously increasing day by day as the new whales are getting added. Almost more than 70% of the Shiba Inu has been holded by the whales, so we can expect the price to be massively pumping when the FOMO kick in, guys. In terms of volume, the volume is pretty low. It's only around 1.1 billion, and that's why you don't see much happening. That's because we all knew that all the European countries and US, including the US, there's been a massive fear on the Omicron African COVID variant, which is originated in South Africa. It's just fact that the market will definitely bounce back. It has always done in the past. The share market always bounced back 100%, and similarly crypto will bounce back as well. So here you can see here, so it's been bought by one of the whales, and also with the fact that we know that they are going into the metaverse, and also they have signed a new contract with PlayStation Studios a couple of days ago, which is an Australian-based company who is going to develop multi-layered, video games for Shiba Inu, led by William Boak. This is going to be massive, guys. We definitely want to make sure that we follow these kind of news. That's because when these whales buy in, definitely the people will get to hear that they'll be holding for a very long time. Also, apart from that, we know that Ask the Doctor is almost so they have clearly shown in the balance sheet that they have converted Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Matic, including US dollars, to Shiba Inu. So they have been very active on the Twitter. They have also advertised for one of the iOS developer to develop a kind of an app called Steps. So what this app does is where you can they are promoting this to public, where the public can use this app to do their walking and jogging, where these guys can track it. And they also announced that if you have done more than 10,000 steps a day, they're going to burn a certain amount of Shiba Inu coins, which is going to be fixed. So this is great, guys. So they are saying that you don't need to go to the Mars or Moon. You just have to do 10,000 steps a day, and then we will burn the coins for you. The circulating supply is around 549 trillion now, as we all know. It's decreasing day by day. We wouldn't see, I'll show you in this video how much we have decreased in the last few days. Plus, they're also saying that, you know what, you don't have to buy a Lamborghini or Tesla to burn Shiba Inu coins, because not every, ordinary person can do that. But then they all, what they're saying is, you can obviously do some, be active, and then do some jogging and, walking, and then we will do the burn for you. So that's something good on them. And here you go. There's a guy called Sheep Code in Twitter has tweeted that he has done more than 14,000 steps, and he has, tweeted saying that, here you go, I've started it. He's encouraging other Shiba Inu people to do that, so that the coins will be burned. As you can see here, guys, the first part of the picture is it's a screenshot of, a few days ago, and then the second part is actually taken like a day before. As you can see here, it's almost increasing day by day. So we know for a fact that the Vitalik, who is the co-founder of Ethereum, has been given a lot of Shiba Inu coins, and then he gave a part of it to the Indian COVID relief, and then he almost sent most of them to the dead wallet. And that's what this dead wallet is. A dead wallet is where you cannot do anything with that. Once a coin goes into dead wallet, that's it. It's dead, and nothing will happen after that. So as you can see, it is almost 391 trillion a few days ago, but in the below picture, it's increased to 610 trillion, which almost like, the coins are definitely burning. It's just a matter of time, when these things, comes up. Once the metaverse is being released, and once all the payments takes effect, the price will start to go completely. It will go nuts, guys. And then the FOMO will kick in. The price is going to go very high, and you're going to make some very good profits. Just think about it. If we know for a fact that the Shiba Inu went about 1,000% in October, it touched almost all-time highs. It wouldn't be a matter of time to touch the same price. So you just have to hold it tight, and then you shouldn't do any panic selling. And also a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so you have to do your own research. Please do your own research before buying any coin. So here you go, XCC. So we know that the coin called XRP, the company behind that coin is called Ripple. Bitcoin and Ethereum, we all know that it takes days and hours to do some transaction, while XRP is very great in faster transaction. They can send money within seconds to a given for a different country, to a different border. But there is a lawsuit going between XRP, Ripple company, and with the SEC in the US. And I'm sure once it's sorted, definitely the price will jump up to $4 to $5. The current price of XRP, which is still in the 7th position with a market cap of 40 billion, is under $1, guys. Think about a 3 to 4x. You might 3 to 4x your money within 3 to 6 months. What I'm thinking is XCC will give them a fine, which I don't think they'll care about. They'll pay the fine, and then probably they'll move on with it. And then XRP, boom, you're going to see that it'll be around 4th position, or even 3rd position. These guys are capable of doing that. They have got an amazing technology where they have already introduced so many things. They can send most of the major banks is XRP. When then think about the security. So it's just my opinion, guys. I know it can go either ways. That's why I'm telling you to do your own research. But then there's a good opportunity as it's in the buy range now, under $1. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And then if you like more of crypto news like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'll make sure that I'll keep it transparent. I'm not here to open any coins or like that. I want to make investing very responsible, and then create a generational wealth going forward. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go and make some money.